model, 2017 Peugeot Expert Std BlueHDi 95 manual 1000 kg. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 122,002. MOT, the 3rd of March 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FDU. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing, nice easy job for someone. Check engine light on the dash due to this. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van, well worth saving. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.